So I sat down to record a video and then realised I didn't know what to say. So I had the title of what my video was going to be, because that's how I start my work. I go, think of a title, and then I think of what I'm going to say, and then I think of the thumbnail. Not particularly in that order, but the first thing I always do is more or less the title, because that helps me understand what the video needs to be about, and I won't sway off topic. It has to be, that's the title, that's what you're here for. Yeah, so I didn't really have anything to talk about, and then it kind of clicked that I should just do a video on how to think of ideas. And one of the first things that can help you think of ideas is books. Well, not really books, because they already wrote, but empty stuff. Can't think of the word right now. These aren't empty. I have stuff at the front, but I do not want to show you in case you steal it. You steal my worthless ideas. Don't want that. But thinking about ideas, in the nicest way I can say this is whenever people tell me that they can't think of ideas, it's like for YouTube, it makes me think, because I can think of, I do struggle sometimes, don't get me wrong, but I'm not struggling all the time because there's ideas all around you. It shouldn't be so hard to think of one when all you have to do is open your eyes to see 1,000 ideas. So when people tell me that they're struggling, it's just like look around, take a walk. But if your content, you know what you're making on YouTube, so you know what you should make on YouTube, if that makes sense. It shouldn't be too hard. If you're thinking, you're trying to be unique, and uniqueness on YouTube is near to enough impossible because thousands upon thousands of minutes of videos get uploaded every hour, so you shouldn't be trying to think of one video no one's ever done, because pretty much everything's been done. And just because you make that idea and it's so unique doesn't mean you're actually it's gonna explode on YouTube. It doesn't work like that. It's mainly just like you just need that one person to see it. So just instead of just trying to think of that one unique idea and risking uploading, upload. It's not that hard to think of ideas. You just scroll through YouTube, even if you just see a video you like, don't copy it word for word or anything like that, but just incorporate that into your style of work. I've done that, who the hell hasn't? If someone says they don't do that, then they're lying, because no one has videos on their channel that hasn't been done before. Scroll through, look at another person's channel, get a feel for it, incorporate one video of the other and put your style on it, but don't sway away from your content. And remember, just because you can't think of an idea, don't get discouraged. Maybe that's not the right content you should be creating. If you look at my channel, man, it's got bipolar, it's changed thousands of times. Not thousands of times, but it went from gaming funny videos to in real life ones, back to just Overwatch, and now it's whatever this is, just how-tos, tutorials, weird vlog stuff like that. And I miss gaming every single day because it's so easy to make YouTube videos on gaming, and I love it. I didn't change because I thought gaming was a dead end. I changed because I film, that's me. I'm just, as a person, I film and take photos, so doing this is beneficial for me, and I can think of more creative ideas doing this. So maybe because you can't think of ideas, you're in the wrong content, if that makes sense. And if it doesn't, I can't explain it anymore. So just look at your content. Is this the thing you want to make? If it is, brilliant. You just gotta stop trying to think of too much unique ideas. It is not hard to think of YouTube ideas. But yeah, so what you should really take on board from this video, if you're actually still watching, is look at your content. Is it the right are you in the right genre? Have the books and just think of one idea, look around the room. Trust me, it does help. As soon as you get that ball rolling, I promise you, because whenever I sit down to think of ideas, I have like 5 or 10 videos ready. Not ready like to upload, but they're the ideas. I've got them titled, and I just look and pick which one I want to do next. But I get that through sitting down, looking at just thinking of one idea, and then it's like it gets handed to you, because one word in that title that you just made can trigger another video idea. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I know you were probably expecting like 5 steps on how to like get great video ideas, but it's not that difficult. It's you who creates them ideas, not your environment. Well, I just contradict myself a bit, and sometimes your environment, if you look at stuff, but I mean, you don't need to do random stuff. Have a bath with the lights dimmed with a candle. It has to be cinnamon, and then you'll get the great ideas. It's not, you think of the ideas, so snap out of it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you can hit that sub button, it will mean the world to me. It's free. Everyone loves free stuff, and you get this banging content. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.